Hey everybody. So I am so sorry. It's been a hot minute. So I have some special surprise for you. So I went on Instagram, of course, and I'm into crystals and all that jazz. And I saw this post. Like like this post. You can't really see it. Anyways, uh I don't read things on the bottom, like the description of the post or anything, so I like the post. And then, let's see, a couple, last month or so, I got a message from this person that did the post, and she said that I won the 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 object, and I'm like, what? So I messaged her and all that jazz. Had a hiccup because I'm so starstruck that I did the mailing address wrong a little, the state part wrong. So I corrected it and everything. So I just got it today. So let's get started. Like a little unboxing. So this is a box. I'm just gonna show it because there's an old label and a new label here. So I'm just gonna open. Oh my gosh, she gave me a doodad. So this is what's in here. I'll show you. So we have, ooh, that's a nice one. Cool, I need a new one. Oh, ooh, that one's really lovely. So she gave me a free doodad, which is nice. I like that. Let's see what's under here. It made me with the heart and says thank you. And if I can, there we go. Ooh, free. Hello, congratulations on your winning. I hope this beautiful piece savor you well. Oh, that's so cute. That's so nice. All right, here we go. This is, oh, this is my baby. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that flash. This is a Labrador. This is my first big piece, and this puppy is $115. I only paid $28 for shipping. Good, look at that. So this is my baby. Oh, it feels so good. So cold because we're traveling back and forth. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh, I love it. Excuse me, my dog hears somebody outside. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. So yeah, that's what I got. Excuse me, that's enough. And that's just the stuff. That's all. Well, I'm very happy. That was very nice. So that's what I got. I hope you guys like what I got as a winning thing that I didn't know I won. I didn't know it was a giveaway. So yeah, just a little video unboxing and a little story behind it. And yeah, hope you guys like it. And I can put that in my collection. I'm not gonna get a big collection, but you know, I like crystals and what they are, and now I know what they are because I used to have some crystals I didn't know what they are, and I sadly I don't have one of them. So yeah, got my nails done yesterday. This is like, sorry, my dry fingers. Bluish green tint for St. Patrick's Day. And yes, I'm wearing my holiday sweater. Don't judge, it's so comfy. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna go. Talk to you guys tomorrow when I get home from work, and really time start making videos for you guys. So yep, bye guys, love you.